Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Here are 11 stories we're following today, July 24th. Excuse me. 3, 2, 1. This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. These are 11 stories that we're following today. It's July 18th, 2023. Here's 11 stories. First, the markets were up yesterday with the NASDAQ killing it, up almost 1%, the S&P 500 up 0.39%, and the Dow up 0.22%. Second, the markets are starting to look up today with Dow and S&P up so far, the NASDAQ about flat. Earlier, there was a note, futures muted as Wall Street weighs more big bank earnings coming in. So far, Bank of America's earnings came in well. Morgan Stanley's came in lower. Third, Meta, which is up 158% this year, faces a situation where it's going to become a little bit less part of the weight of the NASDAQ. This will impact 4 or 5 of the big tech stocks. Fourth, one of the most interesting stories that we're seeing is AT&T and Verizon potentially getting sued or attacked for lead in their cables and wiring. This is potentially going to lead to serious lawsuits. AT&T is down 26% year to date. Verizon's down 20% year to date. See, Reuters, AT&T shares hit 3 decades low as lead cable risk weighs. Those are sort of the discussions out there right now. Bit this morning, Tesla's stock rose as it gets production going on its Cyber truck. The truck looks like a beast. Tesla's up 135% year to date. Sixth, we had record first half of the month for downloads of that Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Please listen wherever you listen to podcasts. Very thankful to the team of Jeremy Kors, Chanel Bunger, Gracelyn Keller, and Kate Cruz, as well as Kirsten Dull. Also, special thanks on the Becker's Healthcare Podcast to Scott Jones, Cody Budd, and Alan Condon. Seventh, we're thrilled for our CEO CFO Roundtable, the Becker's Healthcare Roundtable. We'll have George Bush and Laura Bush speaking, and so many others. Great attendance expected. This is November of this year. Eighth, great to participate yesterday in the North Shore University Health System golf outing. I played with my brilliant partner David Pivnik and 2 outstanding leaders from Coker Group, Brant Jewell and Alex Kirkland. Great pleasure, and great shout out to J.P. Gallagher, the CEO of North Shore University Health System, as well as Shivani Bautista and Holly Bucky. What a great crew. 9, when we're trying to explain the rise of NVIDIA, note this headline today. NVIDIA is the most dominant in AI chips. Forget about the competition, is what Citigroup says. That's a Barron's article today, and that's fascinating. We did a podcast yesterday on the jury still being out on Bob Iger. Disney stock hit its lowest close of 2023. It's nearing a 52-week low. That's another headline today. Finally, 11, see Ford fall 6% on new worries about the electronic vehicle. Ford is up year to date 21% and almost 19% in the last 52 weeks. So it's been performing fine, the stock, but new worries about its electronic vehicle, thus it went down 6% yesterday. Thank you for listening to this version of the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very, very much.